See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
It's our country now.
Yes,
Leave
yes,
us
yes,
alone.
yes, yes.
We are just human. Leave us alone.
Yes, now we take it.
I beg now, una leave us alone.
Yes, le, pastorele, miserere.
Hey, open your cameras, Yoro. Open your cameras, camera.
If I open my camera, she una go leave us alone.
Bandits they go live on TikTok oh. 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 Government don't know their location. People they go live on TikTok every day. When I visit Nigerians na mumu happy. Now when I never know how much they sell gun, Now when I never know how much they sell gun, Now when I never know how much they sell gun. When I do something, when I go no say. Make bandits shop belleful enter data states, then you go know say people they decide. You go know see you just eat belleful, then I go show you what it gun look like. You don't see bullets before. Mona homie oh. Not be saying I carry talk. No man, if I don't dare before, the bandits where they show, some of those guys will be saying they're lanky, they're lanky. So if not be say the same right where bandits get, we not get that same right to carry the same way they carry before. If they really give everybody equal rights, the same way they carry, bandits really look eyeball to eyeball. Me will be saying on a normal physically, no weapon, same, no material. I don't dare before, I don't dare somewhere. I don't fight before. We say, I don't follow 10 people fight before. Everybody met 10. I don't follow the fight before. They hit me here on my body. A day for more than 30 minutes. They hit me on my body. They carry stick, boy. I don't even feel like my just day. A day they hit me for everywhere. After like 30 minutes, I just go down like this. All of them fun once. Like all bandits. Some people they like safe. They don't even get physical strength. But because the same right way government give them, when they carry God, they go live on TikTok, they not give us that same right. They preach peace for Nigeria. You as a normal human being, not go use your sense. You know say this one they target church and church they target to. You will see go church the next Sunday. You are not a victim in your own land. The pastor will see they tell you say when you die for the church, you die for Christ. Don't let anybody preach or don't motive for you. If you love me, please don't die for me. Kill for me, because if they kill you, you will get destroyed. If they kill you, they will still kill me. So if you love me, don't die for me, kill for me. You not fit talk for Nigeria again. You cannot talk again. Something they pay you, you not fit talk again. You cannot criticize the government again because they go hold you. If bandits go live on TikTok, they know your location. But if woman pikin go hide for here, they go know where he dey. Damn Buruba. Make I know how much they sell gun first. And that one we small. We go carve gun. Bro, that one we go carve gun. We'll carve gun like this. We'll go put pipe for the up like this. We'll go put pipe for the up like this. We'll go put knockout. I'm not say that time now survivor skill now they learn. I don't know. I go drop that powerful skill when I get. Even not by now, wait to be bandit. If you get actual film, all those Americans who they shoot gun, recommend that to me. I want to practice how to shoot gun. For self-defense, even if I not might just get them. Tinubu, I'm giving you 24 hours minus my name come from the list of Nigerians. I'll not be Nigerian again. Bandits get hope pass poor man picking for this country. Where are you from? I'm a Nigerian. Go talk about where bandits today. Make them show you what the bullets look like. You know how much they say gun. There's no value in being in being a, there's no value for being a Nigerian. Abia, Umaya, Adamawa, Yola, Akwa Ibom, Uyo, Kwara, bandits. When I don't take over people's states, they take lives of human being. Human being life not be like anything for again. And see the pastor see the preach. He say, you can die for anybody where they preach. Say, not die for anybody, oh. Not die for anybody, oh. Don't die for the people you love. Kill for the people you love. If you love me, die for me. Not kill.